Can you imagine having 3 wigs in one? Yes, I said 3 wigs in one. If you're interested in finding out how, just keep on watching.
Yeah, bad girl that. She just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. We know where you want and need.
Alright, hey guys, this review is from LUVWIN Hair, and I am reviewing this wig for you guys. It's a 3-in-1 wig, okay? Well, first I'm showing you guys the goodies that come in the bag, but I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering what do you mean by 3-in-1? And don't mind my braids under my wig cap, but anyways, I will show you exactly what I mean. So this is how the hair comes. It's really nice, it's straight, and my favorite part is honestly the lace right here. And look how small, you'll see, but you'll see how small the knots are, like amazing. But yeah, this is the adjustable band, and there's combs in it too, so you can adjust it where you need. And it's a really good thing that it has the adjustable band because we're going to wear this glueless. Well, at first. Anyways, so I'm going to put on the wig. I didn't do anything to it. This is straight out the bag. Straight out the bag. So this is how it's looking. You can tell that the lace is definitely HD because even though it's looking a little bit ashy on me, we're gonna fix that, but that's fine. Look how small the knots are, you guys. Like, that's what I'm loving about it. I don't have to bleach these knots. I don't have to pluck this wig. I'm just really, really happy. Okay, so as you can tell, the density it's kind of thin. It's on the thin side, but I would say this is the first density of the wig, okay? And we're just gonna add on and add on until we reach the density that we want, or you don't even have to add. But yeah, so I find that this density is definitely giving natural hair. Like, this really looks like, you know, somebody who has their hair just straightened. And I will show you guys what I mean by changing the density of this hair. But before I do, I'm going to tint the lace. I'm going to make the lace look like it's coming from my scalp. So I'm going to take my flat brush and my Fenty bronzer, and I'm just going to put that all over the lace of the wig. And yeah, just make sure you blend it out properly. And you'll see in the video that I should have put a little bit more, but that's okay. It still looks bomb.com. Alright, so the moment you've all been waiting for, how to make this wig higher density. So they make it really easy. They have these golden strings for you to see exactly where to hook on the wefts. And what I really like about it too is that you see how it says QC4? It marks exactly where to put which weft. So basically how they did it, it's like a layered, so you can't just put any track on there. You have to make sure that you put the proper track there. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. So the track that matches that one, I will show you guys exactly where to put it. And like I just mentioned, they give you 4 tracks, 4 wefts to put on. So I took the first one out, and my first impression is that it's a little bit thin, but that's okay. So this is the QC1, and you see how it has like hooks. We're gonna hook it up to the straps that are designated to the QC1. And this is what I mean. You see how both of them say QC1? So that's where you're supposed to strap it down. And yeah, it's pretty simple. I'm probably making it sound difficult, but it's really not. You just basically you hook on the track wherever it's supposed to be. Yeah. And the gold strings are also removable, so you can take those off. So this is me showing you guys exactly how you hook it on. You literally just hook it on like so. And it's nice and secured. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. So I'm putting it on after I tinted the lace and after I added 2 tracks. So this is not the full density yet. But do you see how this, I didn't even glue it down yet, and look how good it looks. Like the lace is such good quality, I can't. But yeah, so this is the second highest density, and it's already looking more full than the first one. I'm really liking it. This is really like a nice natural look. And I'm just shaking my head. And yeah, and I'm playing with the hair also so you can see that like the tracks don't come off. So it's pretty good. Like this is a really good method. And now I'm looking at the lace. But yeah, you can definitely tell that the density went much higher, and that's only with 2 wefts. So let's try it with 3 now. So I did the exact same process, and this is with 4 wefts all together. And yeah, I'm really happy with the results. This is the density that I like. I do have to brush it out a little bit, but just for the purpose of this, before I style it, I just want to show you guys how much thicker it is. And you can already tell that it's much thicker than the one before. And yeah, so honestly, I can already tell that the first density is definitely for somebody who doesn't like anything with too much volume. It's very natural looking. It looks like you straightened your own hair. The second one is if you want to add just a little bit more, you know, volume to it. And then this third one, this with all the tracks, it is basically if you want that fuller volume, which I love full volume. But yeah, and I'm showing you guys the good quality of the lace. Like the fact that I don't have to pluck this, I don't have to do anything, like I'm so happy. But yeah, so one thing I do have to add is a little bit more of that bronzer so that it could match my forehead more, which I do eventually. But as I'm putting my head down, like you see, like the lace is basically like invisible. It's a really good quality wig, you guys. All right, now it's time to style the hair. They were generous enough and they put goodies in the bag. They put a fine tooth comb, which is my absolute favorite. It's just so easy to do, you know, nice lines, and yeah, I just love using it on a daily basis. So I love that they added this to it. And as you can see, I'm going to do a middle part, and the hair is just so nice and flowy. I'm definitely going to have to put my my wax stick, sorry for the lack of words. But yeah, so I'm just combing it out in place for exactly where I want to put it. And you can already tell like the hair is super nice and soft. So now I'm taking my wax stick and then I'm just going to put it so that it could be in place. And also wax sticks protect hair from heat. So I use this as a heat protectant also. So when I put my hot comb, it will not burn off the hair. Especially this hair, like it's really good quality. So the same way that you would burn your real hair is the same way that this hair could burn also.
You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one.
You guys, this hair is amazing. So yeah, you see the importance of the hot comb, you guys. Look how it did this so nice. Just look at this, it's so nice. Okay, so you see how this is completely glueless. I know that sometimes it's hard to make a, you know, like a full frontal glueless, but don't worry, we're gonna handle that. I'm just gonna put some baby hairs and yeah, it's gonna look really good. So this is what I was talking about. When I do a glueless frontal, I just take a little bit of the hair and then I put it behind my ear. Do you see the difference? It's amazing, like literally. So again, just a little bit of the hair, put it behind your ear, and just like that, it looks like you glued down your frontal. This hair is amazing, you guys. I'm loving this density. I love that this is 3-in-1. Like if I want a more natural look, I just take out some tracks. And yeah, I'm really happy with these results. Thank you so much, LUVWIN Hair, for sponsoring this video. And I actually layered it a little bit, and I'll add some pictures at the end. But yeah, this is 3 wigs in 1, you guys. They're just coming up with the most amazing things. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon. Oh, and I am showing you guys, like, this is glueless. And again, I know that you can see the lace a little bit, but all you have to do is add a little bit more of the bronzer to it. And that's what I did here, and I just curled it a little bit, and these were the results. And yeah, this hair is amazing. I'm wearing it right now and I just love it. Thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Bye.
Right when I dance alone.